They say the shoes make the man. Well, they also make the Aquabug too. So we're going to want to make sure that our shoes are still kept in good condition. Let me show you how to check and replace those. These are the shoes right down here. What you want to do is sort of push them down and move your finger across. If you don't feel any bumps or resistance like you do here, well, that means that, well, it's not making contact with the bottom of the pool, and the bottom of the pods here may be doing that. Especially keep an eye out to see if there's any rub or wear marks there too. That'll give you an idea that the hard plastic and not the soft rubber is making contact with the bottom. To remove them, it's pretty easy. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and just sort of get them underneath there. And then she should just pop right out, boop, just like that. Same thing with all 4 of them. I'll just take off 2 to show you. Now you go to your local pool retailer and they'll supply you with a new set of wings. They come in sets of 4, and putting them in is pretty easy. If you look here, you'll notice that one is larger than the other, and coincidentally, so are the holes on the bottom of the pods. Make sure that they only go in the right way. Now here's a secret. Wet them just a little bit with water. Rub them around here, makes them go in that much easier. Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is just simply line them up, and the trick is to kind of roll them. Put in one, and then the other. And we'll do that again over here. Now these are new, so I don't have to wet them. They'll still go in nicely. Again, there's one, and then the other. Whoops. You don't put them in backwards. You can't actually do that. I'm just showing you as a course of action there. Put in one, then the other. And now, your cleaner got a new set of kicks.